Embrina Oguaa Fetu Afahyɛ Intercommunity Quiz Competition no Nembrina was brought to you by Cape Coast Youth Development Association.
Amfa school eko ana sore eko yebu ekwan na mambofre ni nyina.
Se wo JHS3 we hene nkwaida bra be pick forms ni bi na ka
I am Olivia Boyce and I'm representing Anthem.
I'm representing Amanfo West.
Who is responsible for the casting of the net during Bakatwe?
From Bofra wo all the 45 electoral areas ni nyina.
Assembly members, parents, teachers, head teachers. Pick forms was Asasi Radio 100.3 Cape Coast. Ana Ghana Library Authority one premises. One a wobe zikan wa kensi mu no achazenu bebre.
Ye kan Bofra ebiena wobe fi 45 electoral areas ni nyina aboma wobe ye 90. Demo Bofra nyina benya trunk, chobox, mattress, exercise books, school bags,
and a product from sponsors. Jumazi Richardson 19th August. Na ye 29th August. May you film. Register your child now. Cape Coast Development Youth Association basan ache 10,000 books ama deprived schools ewo Cape Coast. Yes rankro and you dazi hui son. Wombohen na yembuombu free. To sponsor this program, call us on 0244 96 3333.